Local lawyers are getting ready to once again volunteer their time and expertise and provide free legal advice to the public in Palooza. Going on this week, I believe. Here to talk with me now about Palooza is Judge Shannon Bacon. Shannon, thank you for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So first, when is this event happening? Because I know a lot of folks out there, free legal advice.
Free.
Very, very important.
Yes.
So when is this happening?
It's happening tomorrow, Thursday, at Lew Wallace Elementary School, which is downtown at 513 6th Street.
Okay.
And it's from 3 to 6 p.m.
3 to 6 p.m. Okay, great. So what are some of the fields of legal advice that we can be receiving tomorrow?
We'll have attorneys there who can provide advice on foreclosure, debt collection, housing issues, divorce, all kinds of family law issues.
Okay.
Almost any kind of topic you can come up with, we'll have an attorney who can give some advice.
That's great. So if we've got something in domestic relations that we need some free legal advice, because I mean, free legal advice, you might hear free consultation here and there, but until you're actually in the throes of needing that legal advice and you're looking at $300 an hour or something like that just for the consultation, this becomes a huge deal.
Yeah.
Now, how do people get to where they can individually talk to a lawyer? Do we need to sign up? Do we need to register to be part of this?
You just need to show up tomorrow. I'd say show up early rather than late, because it's first come, first serve. And you will be handed a number, so we keep track of the order in which people arrive. And you'll have about a 30-minute consultation with one of our volunteer lawyers. We have about 50 or 60 lawyers showing up tomorrow.
That's fantastic. Now, depending on what we need to speak to these lawyers about, if it is, foreclosures, bankruptcy, divorce, what do we need to bring? Are there documents that we need to have at the ready?
Bring every piece of paper you have related to that issue. You may think a particular document isn't important. It might be. Bring it with you, and that way the lawyers have something to refer to.
Gotcha. Okay. And so you said a 30-minute session. When we go in, after we do the takeaways with this, we get the consultation. If we want to proceed, is this something that if we decide that we have this rapport with the lawyer, we would like to hire them as a representation, we can move forward from there? Or what happens after these consultations typically?
Most of the individuals who come to our legal fairs are low income. And so sometimes the lawyers will take on the case. Sometimes they'll be referred to our volunteer attorney pool, which is a pool of attorneys statewide that provide low-cost or no-cost legal services.
That's incredible. That's great. Well, folks, for more information on this, we do absolutely encourage you to head over to CASA.com, click on the CASA blog. And again, this is the time, if you have something going on in your life that you do need legal help, tomorrow from 3 to 6, Lew Wallace Elementary, downtown Albuquerque, 513 6th Street Northwest. So great service that you guys provide. Thank you so much for doing it.
Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. All right.